Welcome back to another video. Today we have the buy one get one free from Dewalt. This is from Lowe's. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Basically I came across this on Facebook. This is the picture I originally saw. It says buy one get one free from Dewalt. You got all the tools here. You got it looks like you got a circular saw, what is this, reciprocating saw, angle grinder, impact driver. I can't see exactly what it is, what model it is. Impact driver, it looks like some sort of impact wrench. Oscillating tool, some sanders here, a jigsaw, a router maybe, a planer, rotary hammer, a radial, a heat gun maybe, another circular saw, reciprocating saw, and so forth like that. The fan, and an angle drill there. According to this here, it says buy one get one free, so you get this for free. It says a 20-volt lithium max 3 amp hour compact charger, so you get a charger and a 3 amp hour battery. Basically it's $119 value for free. However, I did see something different on the website, by the way. I did see that instead of a 3 amp hour you get a 5 amp hour at the website, so that is a smoking deal. I'd rather have a bigger battery than a charger. So that's my personal thoughts. If you're already on the line, it works perfect for you because you're getting a bigger battery there. Alright, so how we get to this deal here thing, well, this is at the store, by the way. It should be at the store. I haven't gotten to a Lowe's lately, but I will be going. So subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell so you get all the notifications when we go out to that store and see this deal at the store. So basically how you get to that is you go to Lowe's.com, which is here, sorry. You go to tools, you go to Dewalt, and then air tools, flashlights, job saw, red hand tools, power tools, accessories. Let's see here, power tools. Alright, power tools, and then it doesn't have an option for bare tools. Okay, nail guns, combo kits, rotary drills and drivers, demolition. Okay, I was gonna go like that. Pretty much, you can get this picture as a reference. You basically search any of these tools and you add them to the cart. See, what you could do is just find one of them, which is, oh, my phone's going off at work. You know, it's already night and still my phone's ringing. So pretty much you can find one of these tools. The first one you can find, it doesn't matter which one. So just oops, my bad. Did I just go back? So you find one of these tools and you click on it, and it says right here, it's gonna says free gift with purchase. So you're just gonna click that, and it'll tell you the details. You get a 3 amp hour brushless with the toolkit thing. So that's pretty much what we looked at here. So, but once we add it to the cart, I already did add it to the cart. 6 of those tools, by the way, that I already have in the cart. We have trouble loading your cart. Refresh and try again. Okay. So right here, refresh. Okay, so it's not doing it. It's not, well, it is doing it, but it's not, you know, it's having trouble. So basically what we have here, we have 3 different tools. We have the Dewalt XR 20-volt max 7 1/4 brushless cordless circular saw. It's $179. Then we have the Dewalt 4.5 paddle 20-volt max paddle switch brushless cordless angle grinder. It's a nice angle grinder, by the way. It's $199. Then we have the Dewalt XR 20-volt max variable speed brushless cordless reciprocating saw, bare tool, only $179. And then guess what, guys? We get 5 amp hour batteries for free. So if you add more tools to this, you're gonna get more batteries. So this is a total of 3 batteries. And then again, it's up to you if you want to keep the batteries or return the batteries or not. If the sale, like the receipt, prices them differently, then you can do that. If not, then you're gonna have to keep the batteries and the tools, basically the whole deal. But this is definitely a great deal. You're getting basically a 5 amp hour battery with any of these tools, and you can choose pretty much any other tools Dewalt. So basically, how you find the tools or the deals, you pretty much go to the bare tool by itself. I'm just trying to find. Let's see if this one will do it. Yeah, this one's $1.99. It should definitely do it. No, it does not say. It does not want to do it with that one. So it does have to say up there to the right that is giving you the free tool there. Let's see if this one does it. No, it doesn't. So then again, the ones that I chose are pretty much the ones that we know for a fact that they work. So I'm just gonna put the price here. Minimum chucks. What is this? Where's the price at? Show more. So I would say it's anywhere from 100 to 200 bucks. All right, 139. All right, this was one of them, and the picture. See, this one does work. So this was the XR 20 volt max variable speed brushless drive cordless impact wrench for $199. So we're just gonna add that. So 7 tools total. U-cart. So we have. Where's my batteries at? So we got a total of 4 batteries. It does work for this impact driver or impact wrench. So definitely recommend you guys. I'm looking for all those power tools. They are here. Let me see if it does it with the fan again. I know for a fact that some of the guys were comparing the prices to Home Depot. There's some cheaper ones at Home Depot. You can probably price match and still get the free battery deals if you guys do it at the stores. So what was I looking at here? A fan, yeah, fan. So this is the Dewalt fan. It doesn't look like it's gonna be doing it here. Let's just put it in the cart, see if it'll do it. Oh yeah, this one, it's gonna give you the 3 amp hour. Wait, don't forget to add these. Okay, add it to the. I'm just gonna add it to the cart. See if it'll do it. All right, let's see here. It says total savings 176. All right, we got the fan for 119. Yep, it's not doing it with the fan. Maybe it's doing it by itself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete. Yeah, it doesn't let you delete. So remove, and remove. All right, so we got the fan and the battery by itself. It says, okay, this is $99 deal. Yeah, it's not doing it. It's just giving you 20 bucks. So somehow this deal is not, it's not really happening online. Probably this is happening at the stores. However, the 5 amp hour deal, it is happening online. So be sure to check out that deal. choose your tools wisely. There's a lot of great tools that you can choose from. I mean, there's a lot of brushless tools you can choose from there. So anyways, just a short video. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.